this video, I will be having my hair put back the entire time because I do not want it to get wet. This video, what we're going to be doing is my entire face routine. I'm going to tell you how to go from meh to baddie real quick without even using that much makeup on your face. So yeah, we're just gonna get on into the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's right there. The like button is right there. The comment section is right there. Subscribe is here, and at the end of the video, in the middle, right here. So yeah, if you ain't subscribed by the end of this video, I don't know what you doing. So yeah, let's get on with the video. What's up? That's me right there. And you finna see me do a whole bunch of crazy shit. And right now I'm taking off my glasses. I don't know why the fuck I'm doing that. So I'm taking 70% alcohol. And I'm gonna get some cotton balls. And I'm going to wipe my face of the top layer of dirt and makeup. Erythritol alcohol is a good substitute for if you need to get out the house and you need to, you know, sort of like shorten the washing face thing. You can use this, but I do recommend just wash your face anyway. I don't care if you are late. So yeah, that's my face right there. So I'm gonna get some soap and I'm gonna wash my hands because you should not be washing your face with some dirty hands. That's just nasty. You're putting more dirt on your face than you think you are. Don't do that, for real. So next I'm gonna get my cleansing brush and I'm gonna get some black soap right there, literally the bar, and I'm gonna take the brush on there, get a little bit of soap on there, and then I'm gonna start washing my face with it. And as you can tell, this stuff suds up really quickly, so I didn't have no problem with that. I'm just going all around my face. Get the underneath of your chin area too. If you hug anybody, like if you a hugger like me, do that. As you can tell on the sides of my cheeks is where I now have a little bit of hormonal acne. But in a few days that will clear up because, well, if you watch my other video, you know you can easily get rid of that stuff in a few days if you follow my tips. So I'm just adding more soap and gradually more water to suds up my face a little bit more. And I'm making sure to get my eyebrows especially because you ever scratch your eyebrows and just see flakes come up out of it? Yeah, I don't like that. So I literally focus a little bit of time by washing my face, on my eyebrows, and a lot of it on my cheeks because my cheeks are the first thing to get acne along with my chin. So I'm going to keep putting on water. I'm going to keep putting on soap just to make sure that I get it nice and generally clean. If you see me blow out something on my nose, that is not snot, baby. That is literally soap that I had gotten all the way up my nose. If you know the struggle, you know the struggle. And you can see that I'm going in circular motions because that helps, you know, break up all the dirt. So now I'm going to go with my hands and use my Clean and Clear makeup remover and cleanser. And I'm going to use my hands and I'm just going to rub that in with a little bit of water as well. We're trying to set this up real quick. This also removes the little shine barrier that's on your skin after you wash your face. I low-key hate that. It makes my skin feel extra tight. So that's just loosening it up and make sure, again, all makeup is not on my face. It gets deep into the pores. That's why I'm massaging it in as well. It really does help clear a little bit of your acne if you use this along with black soap. Your skin will improve very quickly. So after this, I'm just gonna rinse my face off with water. Y'all see why I got this cap on now, don't y'all? I ain't finna get no water on my hair, heck no. So I'm just gonna keep on splashing my face a little bit until it's all soaked up with water and there's no soap on it. And I'm gonna take a tissue and dab the water out of my eyes so I can open them back up. Dab some of the extra soap and extra water off my face. Get all that cotton tissue off there too as well. So next I'm going to take my dermaplaning shaver tool thingy and I'm just going to start on my eyebrows. Make sure they're nice and good. They look like fraternal twins at least, so I'm okay with it. One eyebrow has a sharper turning point than the other, and I'm not going to mess with it. That's the one eyebrow that does not have the scar. This is the eyebrow that does have one. So as you can see, it's a little bit sharper on the curve. But yeah, who's really paying attention that closely to my eyebrows like that? They look like fraternal twins. That's it. That's all if you do actual makeup and actually do your eyebrows, you will know what I'm talking about. Now I'm going to do my cheeks, which keeps it easier for my acne to not grow there. Making sure to not push down too hard because you do not want to cut your bumps. That will hurt and you will get new scars all over your face. So I'm just taking a cotton ball and wiping off all the hair that could be left on my face. Wiping it all off there. Then I'm going to put the cap back on there so it doesn't rust. I'm taking my toner, which I made myself. And I'm taking it on a cotton ball. And I'm going to wipe that all over my face as well. Just to lock all that goodness in. It's good to use your toner after your dermaplane because that's when it soaks in the most. So I'm just looking at my skin, trying to see what's going on with it so I can see what I need to do later on that night. And picking it out, I cutting out my eyelashes because, yeah, no. Next, I'm just going to go in with some mascara and put some on my eyelashes just to darken them a bit. My hair is a naturally flat brown, so everywhere is flat brown. So I'm just putting a little bit of black pigment onto it just to make my eyelashes pop. I have naturally long eyelashes, so I don't really try to curl them or anything because that makes my eyelashes fall out quicker. So I'm just putting equal amounts on each eyelash, making sure I don't have any clumps in it. Make sure each one is individually coated. Then I'm going to keep on doing this for a little bit longer because I see that this one needs a little bit of attention. Next, I'm going to go to my eyebrows and I'm going to fill them in as well because my eyebrows are brown, they're not black. So I need to fill them in so that they stand out a little bit more. Also shape them a little bit with the brush. And once you put on the mascara onto your eyebrows, you can barely tell that my scar is even there. So, yay! So, I'm just looking at my face one more time real quick. Then I'm going to put on some lip gloss. It's pink pigmented. It's not really gloss, it's oil. And that's just going to keep my lips nice and moisturized for the day. With a nice pink color to it. So, yeah, that's just how my face is going to look now. Yay! And that is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. By the way, if you've seen any acne on my face, that's just hormonal and that will be taken care of like that. Hormonal acne is low-key the easiest one to get rid of. So I'll be done with this in like, what, 2 days. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Like if you liked the video, comment down below any tips from this video you're going to use for the next time you're washing your face. And on top of that, comment any other things that you think I should use for my face, you know, to do, you know, better my face care routine, because obviously I'm open to improvements. And subscribe to my channel if you like the content I made. I make other videos like this. I will leave in the end cards a playlist that is similar to this video. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.